Hi children, good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very good. Yes? Okay children, I hope you all are taking the safety measures to prevent the attack of COVID-19, that is the coronavirus. And today we are going to learn which subject? We are going to learn math subject. Okay? In the maths, previous classes, what we have learned? We have learned the numbers. What we have learned? We have learned the numbers. How many numbers did we learn? Did you remember children? Yes? How many numbers did we learn? Yes, we have learned numbers from 1 to 40. Yes, we have learned the numbers up to 40. So, in today's class, we are going to learn the numbers from 41 to 50. What we are going to learn in today's class? We are going to learn the numbers from 41 to 50. Are you ready children? Shall we learn numbers? Yes? Very good. Before going to learn 41, let us once revise the numbers from 1 to 40. Shall we revise? Yes. Now, what is the first number children? 1. What is the first number? 1. One after 1, which number will come? Very good, it's 2. 1 after 2. 2 after 1, 2, 3. Yes, 2 after which number will come? 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. Very good. 5 after which number children? 5 after 6. 6 after which number is coming? 7. 7 after? It's 8. 8 after which number will come children? 9. How to write 9? See, first write one small circle and then standing line. Yes, this is 9. 9 after 10. 9 after which number will come children? 9 after 10. How to write 10? Yes, very good. 1 0 is 10. 10 after which number? Very good. 11. How to write 11? 1 1. 11. 11 after 1 2. 12. Very good. 12 after 13. 1 3. 13. 13 after 13 which number will come? Yes, 14. How to write 14? Very good. 1 4 14. 1 4 14. 14 after 15. 1 5 15. 15 after which number? 16. 1 6 16. 15 after 16. 16 after which number will come children? Very good. It's 1 7 17. 17 after 18. 1 8 18. 18 after 18 which number will come? Yes, it's 19. How to write 19? 1 9 9 19. 19. Yes. 19 after which number will come? 20. 20. How to write 20? First write 2 and then 0. It is 20. You are practicing, no? You all remember these numbers, right? Very good. Now, 20 after which number will come, children? Yes, 21. How to write 21? 21. 21. 21. 21. 21 after? Yes, say 21 after? Yes, 22. How to write 22? 2, 22. Okay, 22 after? 2, 22. Yes, 2 is 22. 22 after? 2, 23. How to write 23? 2 and 3, 23. Very good. 23 after? 24. 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. 24 after which number will come, children? Yes, it's 25. 2, 5, 25. Show with your hands. 2, 5, 25. 2, 5, 25. 25 after which number will come? Come on, tell me. 26. 2, 6, 26. 2, 6, 26. 2 and 6, 26. 26 after? 27. How to write 27? 2, 7. 2, 7 is 27. Next, 27 after? 28. 2, 8. Come on, show with your fingers. 2, 8, 28. 2, 8. 28. 28 after? 29. 2, 9. 29. 2 and 9 is 29. 29 after which number, children? 30. How to write 30? 3, 0. 3, 0, 30. 3 and 0. 3 and 0 is 3, 0, 30. 30 after? 30 after which number will come? Hey, is it 31? Yes. How to write 31? Is it 1, 3 or 3, 1? How to write 31? 3, 1, 31. 3, 1, 31. Should we write here 1, 3? No. 1, 3 is 13. 1, 3 is 13. Yes? 3, 1 is 31. So be careful while writing 31. Don't write 1 and 3. 3, 1 is 31. 31 after which number, children? Very good. 3, 2, 32. 3, 2, 32. 3, 2, 32. 32 after? 33. How to write 33? 3, 3. 33. 3, 3, 33. Very good. 33 after? Which number will come? What is the next number? 34. How to write 34? 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. 3, 4 is 34. You already learned all these numbers. Yes? Just we are revising it once again. Yes? 34 after 3 5 35. 35 after 3 6 36. Right, children? Next number what? 3 7 37. 36 after which number? 3 7 37. Very good. Now 37 after which number will come? Yes, 38. 3 8 38. 38 after 39. How to write 39? 3 9 39. Very good. 3 9 is 39. 39 after which number will come? 40. 40 40. How to write 14? 40 40. Yes, we have learned the numbers from 1 to 40 in our previous class. Yes, in the last week class we have learned the numbers from 31 to 40. You remembered and you practiced. Yes, very good. You have practiced very well all the numbers. Now 40 after, now let us, today we are going to learn the numbers from 41 to 50. Which numbers we are learning today? 41 to 50. Yes. Now 40 after which number will come? Yes, you all know 40 after which number will come? 41. 41. 41. How to write 41? 41. 41. Come on, show with your fingers, children, like this. 41. 41. 41. 41. 41 after 4 to 42. Yes. 2 after which number will come? 3. Yes. 2 after which number? 3. So 4 3 43. 42 after which number? 4 3 43. Yes. Now let us write here 41 after 4 2 42. 4 3 43. 4 3 43. 43 after which number will come? 44. How to write 44? 4 4. You should write 4 and 4 is 44. Okay, children? Now 44 after which number will come? 4 5. 45. 44 after which number? 4 5 45. 4 5 45. 5 after which number? 6. 45 after which number? 46. How to write 46? 4 6. 46. How to write 46? 4 6. 46. 46 after 6 after 7. So 46 after 47. Which number you should write now? 4 7. 47. 4 7 47. Are you listening, children? Yes. Super. Next, 47 after 48. How to write 48? You come on, you tell me. How to write 48? Show your fingers. How to write 48? Very good. How to write 48? 4 8 48. 4 8 48. 4 8 48. Yes. 4 8 48. 48 after which number? 49. How to write 49? 4 9. 49. 4 9. 49. How to write 49? 4, 9, 49. 49 after 4, 9. 49. 4, 9. 49 after which number will come? Yes, 50. 5, 0. How to write 50? 5, 0, 50. 49 after which number will come? 50. 5, 0, 50. How to write 50? 5, 0, 50. Okay, let us once again revise how to write the numbers from 41 to 50. Shall we do it, children? Yes or no? Yes? Very good. Now, 4, 1, 41. Come on, you should all repeat with me. Okay? 4, 1, 41. 4, 1, 41. Show your index finger, children. Where is your index finger? This is your index finger. Yes? Place your index finger here. Okay? Place the index finger here and say now 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. 5, 0, 50. Yes? Shall we say once again 41 to 50 numbers? Come on, say with me. Now you should open your fingers. With the fingers we'll learn it. Okay? 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. 4, 9, 49. 49 after 5, 0, 50. 5, 0, 50. Yes? Very good. Now we have learned how to write the numbers from 41 to 50. Next, what we should do after learning? What you will do every time? After learning, what we will do? We will practice. Yes? After writing, we should practice also, no? After learning, are you practicing the worksheets every week? Yes. You are practicing the worksheets, no? Now, I will explain you how to write the worksheet. Okay? In the worksheet, first you should write 41 to 50 numbers. You learn now how to write. After that, what you should write? This time I will give you another number. See, like this. See here, my children. What is this number? This is 2, 3, 23. Yes, what is this number? 2, 3, 23. Show it with your fingers. How? This is 2 and 3. 23. And in the last class we are writing the after numbers. But here, see, I have given a blank before, not after 23. Yes, here is the blank. I should write the number which comes before 23. Yes, 2, 3, 23. So which number will come before 23? 23 after 24, you know that. Okay, 23 after 24, after that 25, you know no? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 like that. But here I have given the before. Yes, have you seen before number we should write before 23. 2, 3, 23. Before which number will come? Before means just fold one finger like this. Now it is 22. Which number will come? 22. Before 23, which number will come? 23. Now 14. 14 means how to show 14? 1 and 4 is 14. 1, 4, 14. Yes, if you here you have to write before number. What you should do? You should close one finger. Close one finger. Yes. Now what is this number? 1, 3 is 13. 13 after 14. Yes. 13, 14, correct only, no? Yes, we should write here like this. Next, what is this number? 3 to 32. Right? 3 to 32. How to show 3 to? 3, 2, 32. Now close one finger from the 2. From the 2, you should close one finger. It is 1. 3, 1. 31. 31 before which number will come? 31. So I should write here 31. Excuse me. This is 4, 5, 45. How to show 4, 5? 4, 40 and 5. 45. In this 5, I should close one finger. Close one finger from this 5. Yes. Now count how many numbers are there? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers are there. So what should write? 4, 4, 44. Like this here for 24. Which number will come before 24? 2, 4, 24. Close one finger from the 4. 3, 23. 2, 3, 23. Okay, children? And then what is the next one we are learning in the worksheet? Next part. You should join the numbers. Join numbers. From 41 to 50. What you should do? You should join the numbers from 41 to 50. See here. 1. I will write your numbers. Okay. Forty-one, 42, 43, 44, 45, 45 after 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Right? 49 after 50. Now what we should do? you should join numbers from 41 to 50. See, where is 41? 41, 41. From 41 you should join to 42. Okay? 42 after 43, 44, 45. 45 after which number? 46. 46 after 47. Very good. Yes? 47 after? Very good. 48. 48 after? Very good. 49. 49 after? 50. Yes? If you join like this, see this picture? What is this, children? We have got a kite. Okay? You join the numbers like this from 41 to 50. And then you like the coloring, no? You color any color. Okay? Color the kite with your favorite color. If you like red, color it with red or green, blue. Okay, children? This is the way how to complete your worksheet. I hope you all enjoyed today's class and you have learned the numbers from 41 to 50. Shall we wind up, children? Shall I say bye now? Bye bye, children. Take care.